Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free, you find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and last but not least, the mindset series, and a lot of more binary option, turbo trading concepts, and other concepts which can be applied also to Forex and digital options. So get this ebook, study those things, practice them, yes, and watch the related videos. In this video, I'm going to show you also the BOTT SureShot 2 and SureShot 3 in action. So let me see if I can show you first the things which you have to cover before you can use them. So that is first of all the candlestick math, which I can only recommend to everybody to understand this concept, how candlesticks are calculated. Yes, these three candlesticks are 3 minutes, 1, 2, 3, and those together are this pin bar. Yes, and that is what candlestick math is about. But watch this video to understand the whole concept. You can click on the link above in the ebook to get to this specific video. So then watch the video about the rejection. Rejection is an important part about in the binary option turbo trading, and it's not the major part, but it's an important part, and the other parts are those ones which I have explained here. This is the trend, the key level, and the candlestick pattern. And watch this video too to understand how a rejection works, what a rejection is, yes, and how you can distinguish a rejection from a market movement. So then this is one of the most important one, in my opinion, that is the market condition. The market condition is really, really important because you cannot trade any kind of candlestick pattern at any kind of market condition. For example, candlestick analysis, yes, a price action at and such consolidation area is risky because candlesticks are not behaving like they should. Yes, in such an area, consolidation area between two EMAs, between two support and resistance area, such kind of area, it's risky to trade some candlestick analysis and price action. Yes, avoid this. You can trade such kind of consolidation area after a breakout and then in direction of the trend or after a pullback. What I have seen in the Facebook group today, there was a posting of somebody who has done this. Really nice. I like this. I have fun seeing this. So then we have here the healthy market and the strong trending market. Those setups which I'm explaining in this video are based on two different kinds. The one is the reversal trading setup and the continuation trading setup. Continuation trading setup, you have to trade in a strong trend, yes, here, in this one, and this one. And the reversal trading setups, you have to trade here in this kind of healthy market. Yes, that is important stuff. So, and so let me see if the next one is the trend identification, which is also really important. Watch this video. I will not talk too much about this. Then watch again this one here, how to trade a rejection, how to distinguish a real proper rejection from an invalid rejection. This is really also important because it shows you how important the rejection is. The rejection is only 20% of the whole trading setup. That means you need a good trend, you need the key level, you need the candlestick pattern, and then the last 20% are rejection. And the missing 20 of this 80% are always luck. Yes, because you cannot have 100%, and that's the reason. So, okay, then the next one is a fake breakout, which will happen always often. Yes, and then what also important is, and watch this video because this is really important, and then this one here about the market reversals and retracements, understanding that a retracement in a higher time frame is a reversal in a lower time frame, so you can you are aware of it, that it could be continuing and that not going down. So, and that is only the basic stuff. Obviously, you have to watch all my videos to understand everything and all, yes, because of because of I have told in every video important stuff. So, and I would say, but because it cannot be told in one video. So, and then I have these trading setups, which I have talked about the last videos. This is a continuation trading setup. Yes, this is doing the strong trend. This is a reversal trading setup. Here you need a healthy market, uptrend or downtrend. Here uptrend, here downtrend. Here you need a strong trend, yes, because it's going in the same direction, and also the candlestick pattern are telling that this is a strong one. This is a strong continuation pattern, yes. A bearish inverted hammer is a strong continuation pattern. So, okay, that was this one. Let me see if I can find now a video where I have done some trades. So let me see if I can show you this. 1 minute. So, okay, here is the setup which I'm going to show you, and that is this one. And like always, it's looking similar to this, but it is not like this, because there is something different, yes. And I'm going to show you what's different, but this is the setup which I'm talking. We need a strong trend because this is a continuation trading setup, yes. And I'm going to show you now this setup. This is this one here. You see here we have a strong trend down, yes. You see here was a reversal. Yes, here was a reversal, and now we are heading strong down. Here is this is based here on this kind of this kind of wicks, which are doing here a resistance area. This will not happen in this video, and I'm going to show you then the particular parts. So I will do a play now. So you see we are forming the next candle. So I will do a stop now. So we got here a strong downtrend. You see red, 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 and at the end we get here some kind of a hammer. And now the important thing is this kind of EMAs here are acting now, because we are in a strong downtrend, as resistance. Those resistance here, this kind of 100 EMA and this 50 EMA, but mostly the 100 EMA here is acting like resistance, is doing the same job like this wicks of this candlesticks. Yes, this what we have here is this is the 100 EMA, this is the 50 EMA, yes, and that is what's about. Yes, it has not to be always wicks which are showing you the resistance or the support area. That could be also EMAs, which are in between of those, yes. And so we have now this EMA here, this is the 100 EMA, and this is acting like a resistance, only to show you that it could be also in some other kind. Yes, here you see the 100 EMA in between of this hammer. We have a strong downtrend. Yes, you see it's strong going down after a reversal here above. Yes, it's not a retracement, because for a retracement you should have here, it has already turned around here, but we are heading down further, and that is what's about. And you see here the 100 EMA which is crossing this, and this 100 EMA here is now acting as resistance. So let's see. The next candle, you could enter immediately. You see here the 100 EMA. Yes, you can enter immediately. And I entered a little bit lower, but you see how price goes up here. Price is going up, and now it's got a rejection from this resistance area here now, yes. And you see how price is shooting down, because we have a downtrend, and that is called the put option below middle Bollinger Band in a downtrend on a resistance, yes. And that is what this about. Put option in a downtrend below middle Bollinger Band on resistance, yes, and that is what this is about. And this is the concept, yes. And you see it has not to be wicks here, it can be also some kind of EMAs which are doing the same stuff like wicks and support and resistance area, Fibonacci level, everything. Could be also a Fibonacci level, everything. If you have such kind of scenario, you can wait for rejection to get for sure, yes, but you can also enter immediately, because you are in a downtrend and this will unfold for sure. So okay, let me see if I can show you another setup. So okay, here's another setup, and that is this one here again. That's what I call the shooting star. Yes, let me see this one here. Yes, at the end you see it's not, it will not look like this exactly, but this is the concept behind this, and I'm gonna show you this now. This is this shooting star, yes, and you see here we have here instead of two green candles here, you see we have an uptrend. It's going up here. This is a strong up, not a strong one. It's a healthy one, yes, because we got here already a rejection and something like a reversal now here, yes, because it's a 161.8. But you see, it could look also only in two. These two candles could be also one candle. Yes, it doesn't matter. Important is this candle here, yes, and that candle is. Mostly, if you see some kind of this candle, you can do a put without any kind of rejection mostly. Yes, the area, I can show you this here, the area which is here, those one, because there is no wick and nothing, yes, is this one here from which it will be rejected, yes, because this is the resistance area now, yes. But at the end, after such a candle, you can enter into a put if you have here on the left no price action, like I have explained it so often. If you have no price action on the left, you can do a put here because that is something like an extreme level. So let me see if I can show you this. At the end, I will, in this trade, I will not enter immediately. I waited for a rejection, but you can do this trade without any kind of rejection, yes, because this kind of area here is working like a resistance, and you will see how price will react on this. And then I enter into this trade at this level, yes, but you could also enter in this at this level here where the opening price of this candle is, because such a candle often on the last few seconds of the expiration time will unfold with a huge move downwards, yes. And so let's see what will happen. You see it's going down, and we have another 25 seconds. And that is what I'm telling you, that this in the last few seconds of the expiration time will unfold and will go down, because we have a nice distance here from this level to this area here, which could act as support level. And that's the reason why you can enter in such a trade almost often directly without any kind of rejection. I waited here. I told you, if you're doing those trades, if you are doing such trades, you can wait for a rejection. It's almost better, obviously, but you can do also those trades without any kind of rejection. That is also possible, because those one are mostly those which work out. So let me see if I can show you another one. So, okay, here's another one, and this time we have this here. Let me see. Is this one? No. It will be, let me see if I can find this. It's similar to this one, but it's not this. But you can apply this. It is a combination of, instead of this one. But let me see, is it this one? Is this one? Yes, we are right. It is this one, yes. Only that okay, these two candles are creating this. Okay, so that is this one. Let me see if I can show you this. You have to understand that this time the EMA is flat, and so this will not reject the price. That is important to understand this. So we are talking about this one here, yes. You see this candle is creating here some kind of wick below, yes, and the doji with the second wick are creating a support area, this support area, and then you can expect that it goes going down. That is the concept. So, and you see here, we are going through this, we are crossing this kind of EMA because it's flat, it's not reacting right, yes, it's going flat, and that's the reason why the price is going here after one touch. It's going again. It's something like a fake breakout, maybe. I don't know. At the end, this is what the concept is. And now we are creating here these two wicks here. You see this wick and this candle here are creating together. I will do play. So look, you see, we are going immediately above, yes, because those two wicks are creating here a support area on this level. Yes, and that's the reason why this will work out, mostly because also it looks here like a double bottom, yes, And so let me see if I have done here a trade. I don't know. Maybe I entered into a trade here. Yes, I entered really lately. Yes, I really late. I would, if I entered, I would enter immediately because of this support area. But I didn't have done this at this time. It was 3 months ago. Yes, exactly, maybe 3 months ago. So, but at the end, I entered at a good point because this would act also as support level. Yes, and so it would protect my bet. But now I would enter immediately. And when I see some kind of those setup, yes, I would enter immediately because I would know that those two wicks are creating here a support area, and that would be the reason to enter immediately after this kind of candle. So, but for you see, it has not done any kind of rejection, nothing. Yes, it shooted immediately up. So, and you see here is this kind of support area, and here you see no wick and nothing. It shooted only up. Then what this then happened, I don't know. But this is the concept, and that was this one. And you see, because this EMA was flat, yes, this worked out. Else, it could be that this would reject from this, yes, and then you got out of the money. But this is what you have to understand. If the EMAs are flat, they are not acting anymore like support and resistance, or they are only weak. Yes, and that is what you have to understand when, obviously, if you have done here a strong downtrend, yes, it would not working out. Yes, it was because we are starting here to get in some kind of ranging mode. Yes, consolidation ranging mode. No, but no ranging, not consolidation, because for consolidation is something like this here when it's starting to squeeze. Yes, is a Bollinger squeeze here. This area here is some kind of consolidation, but this was a consolidation to get into a breakout. Okay, that was this one. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, let me say something, comment. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.